Hi, I'm Dusty with Flame Innovation. Today we want to do an overview on our Steelhead wood stove. This stove uses a 6-inch double wall and triple wall stovepipe, which most people are used to for bigger wood burning stoves. This Steelhead model is UL and CSA safety tested, so you're able to get insurance. It's sold as an emergency heat source. There's smaller spaces people can heat, clear up to 1,500 square feet. It takes 18-inch logs, and the stove weighs about 220 pounds roughly. With the brick, it's fully brick lined. It's 3/16 everywhere, the bottom, the top, the sides. You have side shields on both sides. If you want to have a water tank, you can mount the water tank on either side. You'd simply remove the heat shield. The water tank comes with some shoulder bolts. You'll put those in, and it hangs. You can pull it on and off. Holds about 4.7 gallons of water, 100% stainless steel. We weld our water tanks here just like we bend and cut and weld all of our stoves and fire pits. Back here, we have a damper that controls air to the 3 tubes. There's 3 tubes on the underside of the baffle that's inside of here that push air down on the top of the fire for secondary combustion. And it gets that air. You can bring it in from outside on the back of the stove with a 3-inch flexible, like an aluminum duct, to bring in outside combustion air. You've got air wash up here on top of the glass. And then this is your main damper down below. Got a nice tree cut out. You can have any color you want as long as it's black. The stove handle mounts down here in the leg, and then you use that to open and close the door. We have 100% brick lined, as I stated, but we've also got a metal baffle in the front that you can slide back and forth about 3 inches. If you're burning a little bit shorter wood, you'll push it back. Like I said, it takes up to 18-inch wood, so normally people just keep it right where it sits in the front of the stove. And then your air, as it's burning down in here, you know, inside the firebox, it comes up and then it comes this way and then it goes out. So it's a really clean burning, efficient stove. We get, depending on the wood and the length and the size of wood you put in there and the moisture content, you'll get 6 to 10 hours of burn time. So we like to tell people, you know, plan for 8, 7 or 8, most times on most kinds of wood. We've got Neoceram for glass in the door, a stainless steel baffle that goes in front of your main draft that keeps the flames from shooting out if you have a blowdown down your chimney of a big gust of air or something like that. And then the 3 tubes that are in the top run parallel with the wood. So we're bringing air in, is considered north-south stove, bringing air in down along the fibers of the wood. So it's a really nice complete burn of the wood. The stovetop sits at 30 inches off the ground with the 13-inch leg. We also have an 8-inch leg model, so to put the top of the stove at 25 inches. I guess that's about it. I'm Dusty with Flame Innovation. Thanks for watching.